Right guys, I think this is probably one of the best £25 investments I've made in a tool to work on my car. So let me show you what's in here. This is a full Chinesium pipe beader. So basically what that's for is to put a ridge on the end of a piece of pipe. Let me show you one that's been done. So a ridge like this over the end of the piece of pipe, which allows you to clamp the silicone hose or whatever pipe you've got there down, stops it blowing off. A cheap way of doing it is getting like a pair of pliers that has like a dimple at the bottom and then a cutout at the top, and when you squeeze it against the end of the pipe, it creates, you have to do it all the way around, and eventually it creates a ridge like that. That works absolutely fine. I thought to myself, for the sake of I think this was literally 23 quid or something ridiculous. If it worked for the pipes literally on my car, it would have paid for itself, to be fair, in time and ease, and the actual outcome of what you get using this tool is well worth it in my opinion. So it's what you get in the kit. This little spanner here, which I actually haven't decided what that one is for yet, but we'll just call that an added extra. The main part that you get, which is fully assembled when you get it, I've used this already, that's why the paint on here is just starting to come off. The second part you get is this handle here. That literally just slots over there, and when you wind that, it turns the end of there, so that's perfect. The only thing that doesn't come with the kit is the Allen key needed for this, which is a 3mm, but and that's pretty much it really. So what I'm going to do, clamp this bit here in the vise, put this in here like that, do your clamp up. Lovely jobby. So what you do is, it's a very, very simple machine. Literally, this thread threads into the block where this roller is, which is being turned by this handle, this bottom one and the top one. So essentially all you do, put the pipe in, so put that in so it's level. You screw this in so it's tight, not too tight, just sort of nip it. And basically you just turn it around like that. You have to, if the pipe's not 100% cut square, like I haven't quite cut it square, you have to just feed the pipe in, turn it as you're doing it. So you do that, so that's once, then you give it a bit more of a tighten. You go around again. I think I actually ended up tightening it about halfway round as I was doing it each time. Doopy, 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 doop. Start with, you think to yourself, oh, it's just pushing the pipe around, but then the more you squeeze it in, the more you realise, especially on this, obviously I'm doing this on a curved pipe, if you do it on a straight piece of pipe, it's even easier. So after you've done 2 or 3, that's probably more than enough actually. I probably went a bit excessive with my turning in. You unscrew that and out it comes, and then look at the end of that. That is, you put a bit of pipe over that, you clamp on that, that is as, that's what it looks like if you've done it with a pair of pliers. And that's what it looks like with the tool. So to me, that is well worth it for the speed and ease. That is a lovely end on there. I think I had 2, maybe 3 pipes on my MX-5 to do, and I've just done a full day at Castle Combe. And I had absolutely no problems, nothing blew off. Yeah, really good. Really impressed with that, to be honest. So yeah, I don't know how many I'll manage to get out of it before these rollers wear, but to be honest, if they're steel and this pipe's alley, it will take a long time before that wears